please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
In chapter 24, verse 16, Allah, the Exalted, teaches Muslims not to believe the bad things they hear about other people. It is best to always ignore the bad things you hear about others, as most of time, it is not true. Even if it is true, a Muslim should still not talk about it with others, as this is backbiting, which is a major sin. A Muslim should tell the person who is gossiping not to do it, as it is a sin. They should not believe what the gossiper told them, and they should not try to find out more information by asking other people. They should treat the person they heard the gossip about with respect, just like they want people to treat them with respect. Allah, the Exalted, does not like gossiping. A Muslim should instead mind their own business, and not talk about others in a bad way. Otherwise people will talk about them behind their backs, and Allah, the Exalted, will get angry with them.